Hence, I learned some very special subject, that is yoga and meditation and motivational skills. When Honorable Manratna Dr. G.B. Krishna Reddy sent me to GBK MRI, there I came in touch with a very profound and great intellectual giant called Dr. Ramana Rao, the head of the MLC department of GBK MRI. He knew my background. I had been doing yoga postures since my childhood because I was a very hard-working student, always breaking the records of his school, colleges, teaching my teachers, and very poor, being sitting on the ground and studying. My stomach used to get upset, so I started picking up some books from the library of my uncle, Mr. Ram Sudhir Choudhary, and read how to do different postures. I mastered near about hundreds of yoga postures, and that made me very cured and very healthy. Now I'm in 70s, a broke. My projects could not yield me what I was desiring and dreaming. The handlers were not that wise, clever, intelligent enough to take the full measure of responsibility and the commitment and devotion and passion, lacking self-belief, self-confidence, courage, conviction, determination, knowing everything is possible for persevering, persisting, great human being. So I'm a broke. But this is an opportunity. I'm inviting all the sisters and brothers from the Yadadri district and Bibi Nagar Mandal to join Chaudhary Health Center, Chaudhary Health Club, where yoga, meditation, motivation and educational information will be imparted to you. Besides tennis facilities, a wonderful gymnasium for ladies and gentlemen, also indoor shuttle stadium and indoor box cricket that will be created in the Chaudhary Island, just on the Parmati Somaram road in the Bibi Nagar town, just a stone's throw distance. If you look at that, this is Jain Montessori High School coming up under the supervision of one of the greatest promising youth leader, GPR. And then just if you pass something like half kilometer, you will get Chaudhary Island, nearing about 500 feet on the Parmati Somaram road, where this infrastructure is coming. Honorable Mr. GPR is integral part of this project because he loves mankind, and if you love somebody, you should give the health, physical and mental, and yoga can give you both. You will be physically fit and mentally very strong and wise. You will know what to do, what not to do, how to behave, how to conduct, and how to live a life free from worries, anxieties, fret and diseases. So that is next challenge I am going to take over. But for the cooperations of GPR and other friends, Dr. Satnarayana, it can be almost impossible, because you need motivation, you need financial backup, you need support. There have been multiple failures in my life because I'm a solitary man. No support. People say I'm not interested, I'm not interested. The moment I joined GBK MRI, I was knowing one day I will be thrown out on the street and be a beggar. So I really looking into the different projects of the Prime Minister of India. The startup, so many opportunity to get loan from the government and start some kind of activities. But being only one child, Vishesh Vishnu, she didn't like all this. She had her own dreams and desires. She couldn't become the world best tennis champion, for which I set up Eklavya Tennis Ashram, where now JR Montessori High School is coming. I seek your blessings, your wishes and your cooperation. All of you can join this Chaudhary Health Club. It is health all around, physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, social. Real peace comes once you know how to behave yourself, what to think, how to speak, how to act, how to conduct, how to treat, how to deal with the people, society around you, and how to really responsibly live a dignified, honorable, respectable, useful life. Thank you, viewers. This is Pandit Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi and Virendra Dear Chalan from the Om Shanti Ashram And in front you can see his background. In the half part is M's. Just the back of me. M's you can see now clearly. These M towers, they are 7 biggest skyscrapers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes I go and visit inside. That is still coming up. It is by the side of the lake, Chirvu, Bibi Nagar lake. Landmark is Bambino Vermicelli. Earlier it was the tallest, now AIMS has made everyone dwarf, tiny. But I have the privilege to be in front of AIMS. All India Institutes of Medical Sciences, being the project of the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. I also appreciate Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chief Minister of Telangana, and various Chief Ministers who have really collaborated with the central government and got AIMS in their respective states. That will definitely benefit the people, give a practical education. Education who can really teach students how to treat well, how to operate well, and how to make the citizen of India healthy, happy. But my teaching of yoga and meditation will be different. It will be really life transformation based on the philosophy of Buddha, Gautama Siddhartha, and also Eightfold Path of Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Ramdev has been very close friend of mine, B.K. Iyengar, and so many greats. Because I've been their students, I can be very beneficial and fruitful to all of you. Just by learning and hearing me, you can know the impact of my inner depth, knowledge and information and conviction and belief and courage. I'm a true servant of yours. Invite you. Chaudhary Health Club, Fitness Center, Yoga, Meditation, Motivation, Tennis, Indoor Shuttle Stadium, Indoor Box Cricket, a wonderful gym. Maybe some other feathers will be added in the crown of this health center. It is backed up by Honorable GPR, the leading light of the state of Telangana, which is spreading to all over the country, Bharat. Thank you.